Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share my Bible journaling with you. I'm just gonna use pens, washi tape, stickers, recycled paper, and general crafting tools. What I'm journaling about is in 1 John 5:14, that it says, "Now this is the confidence that we have in Him, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us." The second one is on Philippians 4:6-7. Be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God, and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus. Thank you for visiting my channel, and please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any other video. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!